Okay, so what is the acceleration of a 6 kilogram object hanging on a string that's under a tension of 80 newtons? And then there's another question, which is, what if it's 30 newtons, right? And then make up the direction up positive. So let's do two parts of this, right? We're going to do the 80 Newton one here, the 30 Newton one here. Okay. Now let me just draw a little picture here. Here's this object. Okay, it's 6 kilograms, and there's a string, right? Now the tension in the string is just an upward force, right? So our forces are then 80 newtons up in this case, and then you can't forget gravity, right? So gravity is 6 times 9.81. So this is the force of gravity. I'm just calculating the weight here, right? So 6 times 9.81, 58.86. Okay, now it says make up positive, so I'm going to make that direction positive, which makes that a positive force, this a negative force, right? And then my expression of Newton's second law looks like this. 80 minus 58.86 equals 6 times A. Right? So this is the sum of the forces. This guy's positive, this guy's negative. 6 times A, and we're going to find out what A is. So this is an unknown force problem. The only thing different about this one is that we had to calculate the force of gravity, right? Okay, so we can just bust this out. Divided by 6, that's 3.52 and a lot of 3's. So is the acceleration. Okay, so you just subtract that, divide by 6, you're set, right? So that's that answer. Let's look at 30 newtons. Now, obviously, 30 newtons is going to be less than the weight, so I think it's going to accelerate down. Okay, so if there's 30 newtons of force up, we still have 58.86 newtons of force down. Right, so I got that by going 6 times, we're using weight is mg for that, right? Okay, so that's where I got that. Now we've got, that's positive, this guy's negative. All right, so now we can set up our little equation. 30, positive 30 minus 58.86 equals, and then this is still 6 kilograms. 6A, right? Well, 30 minus 58.86 is, wow, what did I just do? 30, oh, there you go, minus 58.86. I punched a wrong button. The calculator almost blew up. Negative 28.86 newtons is 6A, right? 6 kilograms. And then my A suddenly got capitalized, right? So that's kilograms, right? And now I'm going to divide that by 6. And I get negative 4.81. Okay? Now, that is only the direction of the acceleration. It's accelerating down. It could be moving up, though, right? If you're moving up and you slow down, you're actually accelerating down. Okay. If you're moving down and you speed up, you're accelerating down. So those are the two ways that we could accelerate down.